Alright, so this is what we're gonna make. Let's get started. Open up a new folder, call that AI. Then we're gonna make a new blueprint class, call it character for your AI bot. Then we're gonna open that up and add a quick mesh to that, as well as the animation blueprint. So that way we can see it in the world when it spawns. Rotate that, bring it down. Make another blueprint class, make this actor. This is going to be the AI spawner. Open that up, add a billboard, raise that up, open up the event graph. I'm going to do this off the event begin play. You can do this however you want to trigger your spawn. I like to add a spawn particle so that way I could see where they're going to spawn at. Add a quick delay before that. Then I'll put another delay in. And then we're going to spawn AI from class. Select the class we made. Don't worry about behavior tree. We didn't need to make one of those. We're not worried about movement right now. Grab your billboard, get the world location, and then plug that into both locations. Compile, save, close that. Go in your world, place down a few spawners. Save that, play. There's the particles and they spawned in.